You keep the exterior of your Toyota clean so it looks like new. It's just as important to keep the inside of your Toyota's engine clean so it continues to run like new. That means conducting oil and filter services on Toyota's recommended maintenance schedule and using Toyota Genuine Motor Oil. But after any oil and filter service, some of the old oil will inevitably remain, where it will mix with the new oil being added. The chemical compounds in engine oils can break down with time and use, resulting in oxidation and buildup, which can contribute to increased oil consumption and emissions, as well as wear on your engine. That is why Toyota recommends an oil system cleaning with Toyota Engine Oil System Cleaner. Toyota suggests this service if the vehicle is subjected to heavy-duty service, if oil and filter service is more than 4,000 kilometers past due, the engine oil level is below the minimum indicator, or if oil buildup is discovered during the oil and filter service. If no issues are present, the suggested preventative maintenance interval is every 48,000 kilometers. Toyota's Engine Oil System Cleaner works to remove deposits and other built-up materials inside your engine, which helps to reduce wear, reduce emissions, ensure normal oil consumption, and restore performance. Drive with confidence, knowing that your Toyota engine can keep performing at its best. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.